Navigating BMW model names can be very confusing. With a mix of numbers and different letters, it's easy to feel disoriented in the maze of BMW's naming conventions. Fortunately, BMW maintains consistent patterns across its lineup that become clear once you familiarize yourself with them. Join us in this guide to grasp BMW model names over the years. Here's a breakdown of the BMW model naming convention. The first digit represents the series of the vehicle. For example, BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, and 7 Series. The last two digits often represent the engine displacement or performance level. However, with BMW's recent move toward using turbocharged engines, this number may not always directly correlate to the engine size. A single letter follows the series number and indicates the body style of the vehicle. I typically stands for fuel-injected models. D signifies diesel models. X or X-Drive indicates all-wheel drive models. E is used for plug-in hybrid models. S might denote sportier versions. BMW's electric models have an I before the numbers in the vehicle name. Let's take the 318i model as an example. The first letter, 3, indicates the model series. The next numbers set, 18, indicate the engine 1.8-liter power. And finally, the I letter at the end means petrol fuel injection engine. Let's have a look at all of BMW's available models and start with the 2 Series. The 2 Series is a two-door coupe and convertible that is smallest in size and lowest in price. The 3 Series is a 4-door compact sedan available as a sports wagon, touring, or slightly larger Gran Turismo. The 4 Series is a compact 2-door coupe also available as a convertible or as a 4-door Grand Coupe. The 5 Series is a quintessential mid-size 4-door sedan available in standard gas, plug-in hybrid, and high-performance options. The 7 Series, a full-size 4-door sedan available in a high-performance M sedan and an Alpina sedan. The 8 Series is a top luxury full-size, modern coupe, available as a convertible or a 4-door Grand Coupe. X models are a series of larger SUVs and crossovers from the X1 to X7 with available M models. Z models, 2-door convertible roadsters. M models are versions of select BMW series and X models that offer higher performance. Among them are the X3, which is also available as X3M. BMW I models are BMW's electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles. These models come also as hybrids, like the 530e plug-in hybrid, for example. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe for more.